you've recently launched a small business website on the MightySites platform and you want to purchase a custom domain, that is a really smart move because having a custom domain for your small business website makes it look more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your local competitors. So I'm going to be showing you how you can conveniently purchase a custom domain via the MightySites platform. Let's jump in. Now, if you've randomly stumbled across this video and you actually aren't familiar with MightySites yet, MightySites is an easy-to-use website generator for small businesses. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple, and absolutely no coding is required. There is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't have to put your credit card details in, so make sure you click on the link below this video to get started with that free trial. Now, I've already launched a website for my small business on the MightySites platform. If you're in editing mode, go ahead and click on this button at the bottom, connect your domain. If you're not in the editing mode and you're perhaps in the Mighty dashboard, you can click on connect your domain under custom domain. Remember, if you have already purchased a custom domain, you can absolutely connect it. Just go ahead and select this option. I'm now going to go ahead and click on I want a new domain. Great. MightySites makes use of Entri that makes registering and connecting a new domain super simple. It pretty much doesn't get any easier than that. When you've purchased your custom domain via Entri, it will automatically get connected to MightySites. Let's go ahead and click on purchase a domain with Entri and search for a domain. Awesome. This domain registration is powered by Ionos. Let's go ahead and search and see if there is an available domain for my small business. Great. Unfortunately, the one I want is taken, but there are a few other great options here which seem quite affordable. Obviously, the price of the domain does vary depending on how popular it is. So I'm going to go ahead and claim this one, Candy Cleaners Online. Go ahead and click on add to cart and continue. We'll connect your domain automatically after checkout. Great. So I'm now going to change this just to 1 year for now. And click on continue. Awesome. If you've got an Ionos account, you can sign in. Otherwise, you can check out with PayPal, which is really convenient, or continue to the checkout and pop in a few basic details. Awesome. So I'm just going to put in my few basic details over here. Okay, I've just put in all my credit card details. Awesome. I've now put in my credit card details and I'm going to go ahead and purchase my custom domain via Ionos through Entri on the MightySites platform. Let's click on order now. Awesome. It's now processing my payments and redirecting me. Awesome. Thank you for your order. Return to MightySites. It's pretty much setting up and connecting my domain, and I'll be redirected within 15 seconds. It literally connects it once you've purchased it via Entri on the Ionos website. I can now proceed with connecting my domain. Awesome. Pending purchase completion. After the checkout, your domain will automatically be configured to work with MightySites. And look at that, it's now configured. I literally didn't have to do pretty much anything on my side except purchase the custom domain. It's literally set it all up. Changes typically take less than a few hours to go live. So don't stress if your website isn't live immediately. It can take up to 48 hours. Let's click on done. All of it's complete and my website is now processing and my website will be online shortly. Let's grab a coffee because we are done and we easily purchased a custom domain on the MightySites platform via Entri for our small business websites. Now my website's going to look more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all my local competitors.